Alright, the tone. Well, it's not well, there's not even a tone there. It's just a blank. So it's a blank tone. Or it's no tone, maybe? Yeah, anyways, it's ji wa in the Hmong language. So ji standing for tone, wa standing for do. So it's the do tone. And yes, I know do tone sounds very awkward. Whoever made up this tone wasn't factoring in that do in the English language sounds kind of weird, and they weren't factoring in that do would be changing through history but it's the do tone, and that's what I had to work with. So ji wa, or the blank tone, is the do tone. Alright, so this is how you guys say it. It's always ji wa, ji wa, ji wa, or just the word by itself is wa, wa. And you guys hear how the tone is like? Yep, it is a short monotone tone. So wa, 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 just like that, just short and sweet. It's almost like it's not even a tone there. Well, there is still a tone there, but it's like there's no tone there. Here's some words so that you guys can hear the sound of ji wa with different vowels, right? So you want to hear with different vowels. So gu, gu, ya, i, du, chao, ma, gu, hai, lu, li, no, su. Gosh, that sounds a lot like a robot, doesn't it? Speaking about robots, how about we talk to a robot? Alright, I got one right here. I'm gonna talk to her. So hey Siri, speak to me in Hmong.
Gu, ji, ya, si, li.
Huh. Okay, so who are you then?
Gu, ya, nheng.
Oh, okay. So hey Nying, how are you doing today?
Nho, rong, gu, ming, gu, no, ta, nho, rong.
Huh, nice. Nying, can you tell me a joke in Hmong?
Go, bua, bao, vi, li, ya, yi, chai, dao.
No, I don't know why. I don't know why 8 is afraid of 6. Right? Yi is 8 and Dao is 6. So why is 8 afraid of 6?
Vi, tia, dao, xia, yi.
Ah, I get it. Vi de do xia yi. So thank you, Nying. Thank you so much for coming and showing, being a guest on this show. And hopefully we'll see more of you in the future, right?
Wa, li, lo, ma, gu, ming, u, ma, li, shi, ji, dua.
So hey guys, that was Nying, and Nying is actually an app on the iPad, just like that. Whoa. Oh, well, it's too bright, you guys can't see it. Anyways, it's a very helpful app that helps you guys make sure you're writing something correctly. It's there and it can read it to you, and you can hear the difference, and it actually reads the tones too. So it's not a sponsorship video at all or anything. It's just, I think this is a really great tool for you guys all to use. And so if you guys are learning Hmong, this is a must-use tool. And she is a great robot, and like ji wa, we're gonna be talking kind of like robots, right? Yeah, monotone, short, monotone, sweet. So the way to remember this tone, and the way I remember this tone, is that it's short and sweet. It's almost like there's no tone there, right? It's short and sweet, and almost like do. Do is a very short word. It's D and O, so super short word. And so there you go, guys. That's the do tone, ji wa, or the blank tone. So Nying, am I good looking, right?
Du, ji, rong, i, ho, li.
Oh my gosh, really? What about you, Nying? How do you look?
Gu, rong, chua, chai, gao, du.